Hey all, today we are going to get an introduction to NVIDIA's BioNeMo for drug discovery. Last time we saw Cambridge one where AI was deployed into genomics discovery. This is in continuation with exploring the intersection of AI and genomics so that we can better understand as AI as investors, as genomic investors especially. And this time we are talking about molecules discovery or drug discovery using AI. Let's get started. Welcome back, friends. Drug discovery is a critical aspect of medical advancement. It faces formidable challenges that hinder its speed and efficiency. Traditionally, the process has been marred by sluggish pace, with the development of a single drug taking a staggering 10 years and costing upwards of $2 billion, resulting in a mere 10% success rate. The drugs that do not succeed add to the cost of the ones that have succeeded, because that's where the cost would be recovered. And compounding this issue is the current reliance on computer-aided drug discovery, or CADD, where intricate physics-based calculation contribute to both temporal and financial burdens. We understand financial burdens as investors. The question is, what is temporal burden? Well, it relates to time. The temporal intricacies embedded in drug discovery constitute a formidable hindrance. The conventional journey from the conceptualization of a drug to its market entry spans a staggering 10 years. This prolonged timeline presents a multifaceted array of challenges. The extensive duration amplifies the risk of scientific and technological obsolescence, as the cutting edge methodologies employed during the initial phases might become outdated or surpassed by more advanced approaches as the years unfold. This temporal drag further compounds the urgency associated with addressing pressing healthcare needs, leaving patients in prolonged anticipation of breakthrough treatments. Additionally, the elongated timeline raises ethical concerns, as the prolonged development phases may limit the patient's access to potentially life-saving interventions. The protracted nature of drug discovery introduces a challenging dynamic where the urgency to meet medical needs clashes with the methodical and time-intensive nature of scientific research, creating a delicate balance that researchers must navigate: safety or urgency. That's what they have to balance. Recognizing these challenges, artificial intelligence, particularly generative AI, emerges as a pivotal force in transforming the drug discovery landscape. This cutting edge technology proves instrumental in overcoming the hurdles inherent in the traditional methods. Its versatility spans a spectrum of tasks, ranging from suggesting novel biological candidates to identifying effective drug compounds. To fully harness the potential of generative AI, the industry requires specialized tools, including a dedicated platform for AI model development and scalable GPU computing. In response to this need, NVIDIA's BioNeMo emerges as a revolutionary platform designed explicitly to democratize generative AI for drug discovery. BioNeMo addresses the intricacies of model training, simplifying and expediting the process for predicting protein structures, designing molecules, virtual screening, docking, and proprietary prediction. Its deployment is seamlessly facilitated whether on the cloud or on premises systems, offering optimized model API endpoints and a user-friendly web interface. The advantages afforded by BioNeMo are substantial. Researchers gain the ability to innovate rapidly by tailoring generative AI models to their specific needs, utilizing their proprietary datasets, and the platform's interactive web experience empowers researchers to experiment effortlessly with their data, facilitating a dynamic and interactive and iterative approach. With quick and easy access to optimized AI, application development and deployment are accelerated, eliminating the need for extensive coding or infrastructure management. BioNeMo's scalability further enhances its appeal, providing a foundation for constructing generative AI workflows on managed infrastructure. A notable feature of BioNeMo is the capability to enable researchers to assess the quality of a model's embeddings during training. This empowers them to maintain control over the learning process, ensuring the reliability and accuracy of the generated insights. Let me take you to the BioNeMo schematic to give you a glimpse of how this system would work. I'm on the NVIDIA website looking at the page which talks about BioNeMo, and we have a schematic out here It says generative AI biomolecular model training. Train a foundational model and fine tune it to perform task specific predictions. So it starts off by providing a database of protein sequences. So this is the data prep and pre-processing stage. And then foundational model training takes place with a foundational large language model. And then training specific, task specific training takes place here with a data set of annotated protein sequences. And that in turn prepares the system for model inference. And this is the overall schematic they have. And we have a testimonial here from Director of Digital Biologics Discovery from Amgen, Chris James Langmead. He says the ease of multi-node training with BioNeMo and the ability to use larger batch sizes within DGX Cloud enabled us to achieve our 3-month objectives in just 4 weeks. So it has cut down the time to 1/3 of the time it used to take them to do a particular task. So that's a significant amount of time saving, and time is equal to money, and time is equal to early deployment to market. So the early deployment to market brings forward the monetization cycle. So overall, this works in multiple levels. The synergies are there because the risk factor also gets decreased, and companies would be able to make the best out of it. This is a classical ERP example that I gave you. I think AI is going to follow the same model. It will demonstrate savings, and it will lead companies to install AI systems, and then competitors will follow with the same thing, and it will get secularized across industries. That's my hope. So this is for biomolecular module training and small molecule discovery. So there is another schematic. Of course, I haven't had the time to go through this and in order to be able to explain to you, but I'll do a video in future where I would be able to talk about this and explain to you how this exactly works to the extent that we need to know as investors. In conclusion, the integration of artificial intelligence, particularly through platforms like NVIDIA's BioNeMo, represents a paradigm shift in drug discovery. The challenges ingrained in traditional approaches are met with innovative solutions, ushering in an era of accelerated, cost-effective, and highly customizable drug development. The marriage of AI and drug discovery promises not only to save time and resources, but also to usher in a new era of precision and efficacy in medical advancement. As investors in genomics, it would be important for us to also keep track of AI-based systems. In this channel, we look at both AI and genomics and have started coverage of AI in the last few weeks. Initially, we may have a lot of ground to cover just with NVIDIA, but we'll also cover other AI companies as well, while continuing to maintain the level of genomics coverage that we have been doing in the past. And I really thank you for watching. If you have been watching till now, thanks for watching till the end. I'll be back soon with the next video. Please like and subscribe to the channel so that you can help the channel grow. We have been growing pretty fast, thanks to you. And with that, I would like to end this video here. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.